Hi everybody, it is Saturday, a little after 6 p.m. I came up this morning so I could go to Winchester and pick up some tiles, the 2 replacement boxes for the 2 that were broken during shipping. So I got a late start this weekend, but so far I planted the tomato plant that I grew from last year's cherry tomato seeds. I never got to eat it. I don't think I did. I never got to eat any of the tomatoes because they were overripe. Each time I came up, they were overripe and laying on the ground, but I saved their seeds. And then here's my strawberries. Ripening, 2 of them are ripening. This is my first real attempt at growing strawberries. There was a ripe one that I tasted a little bit ago. It was delicious. My plan was to weed this whole flower bed. There's a couple little cabbage plants in there. In the cage, calendula. My silly self, I thought the purple coneflower would come up on its own, but you know what? I have to look it up. That might be an annual. I maybe was supposed to plant the seeds in there. I saved seed pods from the coneflower, but guess what? They're in the apartment. A lot of good they'll do down there. But I planned on weeding this whole thing. Clearly, I have not gotten to it yet. So I did some weeding up there. There. Oh, now you can't see it. It went out of focus. There's a serviceberry tree and bee balm plant there. So I weeded that earlier. It was very hot. And so then the dogs and I came down here and lounged around in the shade and in the breeze here, because it just felt very hot. So my ceiling fan is in. That is not the switch. Oh, that's the switch for outside. There's my outside light. There's my ceiling fan. There's my living room lights. I'm very excited. There are my kitchen lights. My bathroom overheads. Whoops, that's not the right switch. There's for the lights over my vanity. And a lighted fan. So that's very exciting to me. And then my bedroom fan. Whoops, wrong switch. There we go. So the tile should be, the floor tile should be in next week, installed. Oops. It's going to take me a minute to get used to where my lights are in the kitchen. So the fixtures are in. There lays my tile, my floor tile. living room. Well, that's tile for the entire house. It's that color. And the bathroom tile. I feel like it's going to rain, but the forecast does not call for rain, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. I was behind putting the bird feed out, so I haven't even seen the nuthatches yet. I saw one goldfinch, but I don't think I put out seed that the goldfinch likes, so I have to go look and see if I have any. I think they like I'm not going to remember the name of it. The little tiny seed. Yeah. I'll have to see if I have some up there. And there we go. That is all. I might put some random pictures at the end of this of some of my plants. But otherwise, that's all for now. Have a good evening.